everyone, it's me again. Welcome back to Concordia for English.ca. Today I'm going to explain a specific type of nouns. But first, I have a question for you. What do you call a group of people or things? If you have no idea, we call it a collective noun. A collective noun refers to a group acting as one, like a team, a family, or a class. For example, the team is practicing hard. Even though it has many members, we talk about it as one group. So let me give you more examples to make it simpler for you. When we sometimes see many birds flying together, we call it a flock of birds. We don't say, "Give me many grapes." We say, "Give me a bunch of grapes." And when you have many friends, you don't say, "Oh, these are my many friends." No, you say, "This is my group of friends." So you gotta think about it like this way. One word, many things. All right, so this is the end of the lesson, but try making your own collective noun sentence down in the comment section. Let me see if you get the lesson or not. Thank you for watching, and I hope this lesson would be beneficial for you. Thanks.